In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the TPM version in Windows and how to enable TPM 2.0. For those who may not know, TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module, and it is a security chip that is built into most modern computers. Windows 11 requires TPM version 2.0, so if you are planning to install or upgrade to Windows 11, you need to make sure that TPM 2.0 is available and enabled on your system. To check the TPM version, we need to open the TPM Management console. For that, press the Windows key and the R key together. This will open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type tpm.msc and press Enter. Once the TPM Management window opens, you will see all the details related to TPM on your computer. If TPM is enabled, you will see the TPM version listed under the TPM Manufacturer Information section. If TPM is not enabled or not supported on your system, you may see a message saying that there is no compatible Trusted Platform Module found on this computer. Even if your computer has a TPM chip, it is often disabled by default in the BIOS. To check whether your CPU supports TPM, first check your motherboard model and then visit the manufacturer's website or user manual. To enable TPM, you need to enter the BIOS settings and look for the TPM option. The name of this option can be different depending on your processor. For Intel CPUs, it is usually called PTT or Intel PTT, while for AMD CPUs, it is commonly called FTPM. That's all for this video. I hope this helped you understand how to check the TPM version and enable TPM 2.0 on your computer. Thanks for watching.